Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today I'm working on my 2004 CRF250X. If you've been following my channel, this is the bike that I crashed on. I broke my collarbone recently. It was October 3rd when I crashed. The bike was, my buddies put it in the trailer. I didn't drain it in gas or anything like that. So it is the day after Christmas right now, so December 26th. So you figure 3 months it sat, and it won't idle off a choke. When I give it gas, it won't go. So it just kind of stalls. So with 3 months of time, fuel sitting in it, the carburetor got dirty. So the only thing I've done so far is loosen up the two screws, the brackets, and one right there and the one on the airbox to rotate it. I took the 17 millimeter out of the bottom. And now what I'm going to do here is just pull the jets out of it and clean them. So here's the 17 millimeter that I pulled out. And then I'm going to be using this little Tusk jet tool for taking jets out. Just makes the whole process easier. Let me get that out. And guys, just look at this corrosion in here. This is 3 months. 3 months. The bike was running great, and here it is. I can't give it any gas. I'm gonna have to clean that out too. So here's the tool right here, that Tusk tool. This is a magnet, just sticks down in there. I'm gonna pull the pilot jet out because that's usually gonna be the issue when you turn your choke off and it won't idle. So we're gonna get this up in there and get that pilot out. All right, this is how it fits up in there. So we're just going to turn that pilot jet out. All right, and there's our pilot jet, and as expected, I can't see any light through there, so we're going to have to clean that up. And the main jet's right there too, and the way that this tool works is this tall side here fits right on the main jet, so you can just slide on the main jet and get that out. So we're going to pull the main jet out as well. And here's the main jet. Oh, it's got a bigger hole, so this one's usually not clogged. It's usually always the pilot jet. This is what I mean, guys. You got to be able to see light through that pilot jet. There's a tiny hole in here. This is what gets clogged all the time. Now I also sprayed some carburetor cleaner oil in there when the cap was off, so the fuel is on right now. Nothing leaking out, everything looks good. We're going to pull the clutch and hit the start button on this X, and let's see what it does. Beast mode, back again. That's all it needs. So guys, I hope this helped you out. This is a common problem. I get a lot of bikes coming in here that just sat for a couple months and they don't know what's wrong with it, and it's just a simple carb clean. This bike runs great, and those pilot jets get clogged super easy with today's fuel. You got to keep that crappy fuel out of there. If you have the opportunity and you can afford race gas, you should get race gas just so it burns cleaner. At least get some ethanol-free fuel, 91 octane or better, and then you guys are good to go. I run this one. I don't even remember what I put in it when I crashed. It's been months now. I think I planned on having a long ride that day. I just put in regular fuel, so it's probably ethanol in there, so I got to get all that stuff out of there. But that's all there is to it, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.